Hello, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to install iOS 14 beta into your iPhone. So in this video, I'm using iPhone 7. But this will work on any iPhone after the iPhone 6s. Before watching this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel and click the bell button. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. It's super simple. All you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to be connected to Wi-Fi, and you're gonna go ahead and scroll over to this website. So open up your Safari and you're gonna go over to getiosbeta.com. Then click iOS 14 button. And wait a few seconds to download the profile file. After that, click tap here to download iOS 14. And click allow, then close Safari and go to phone settings. And click profile downloaded button. Tap install. Enter passcode if your phone having a passcode. Then go back the settings and tap general, then click software update button. Finally click download and install button and enter the phone passcode. Congratulations, your phone version is iOS 14. Thank you for watching this video. If you love this video, click the like button.